Hi guys, we're gonna be joined by Bob. Bob.
Can't read names, Bobby.
Bob, the best gamer. Third person view, the best. Hey guys, this is my first video and I'm sorry if I don't do things right. I wanna start like a new home and stuff, so we have to mine for wood and loads of stuff. Like some wood and stuff.
I'm in third person there.
And I thought, like, I found a few glitches that might work, so I'm gonna use them during the video. But I'm sorry if it doesn't record right, because this is my first video. So I have 11 blocks. What are we gonna build first?
I don't know our houses.
Guys, tell me in the comments below, where should I build my house? Should the lake, on a mountain, or somewhere? Starting to get hungry. Bob,
Not me, by the way.
can you catch up, Bob?
Bobby. Can't read.
Come on, Bobby. Down. Let's get some stone. Gonna get crafting table. Let me get pickaxe. And Bobby, this guy says Bobby's my new friend, and he's gonna be in all my videos. So I'll go in another world and tell me like what should I do, like do like videos about something that you like, or do videos about this world. There's gonna be like sometimes there's gonna be another mine joining us, but that's not gonna be like loaded problem, because he's just gonna be here temporarily. He's not gonna be here like always. So we have to finish the world. Mining some more wood. Let's keep on traveling to find somewhere to build a house. Don't we? Perfect. Bobby, where are you? Follow. Starting a new house is not really good. I don't need to. It's gonna be the end for today. See you.